The financial inclusion initiatives that the Securities and Exchange Commission has embarked upon are part of the broad mandate that the Commission has. The Commission exists in order to ensure orderly capital markets in Zimbabwe. They're a regulator. In that mandate resides the investor protection requirement, and that is best delivered via compensation, of course, but our preference is to ensure that it is delivered via the capacity building of the potential investor or the would-be investor. Therefore, our initiatives encompass in the main ongoing engagement with the variety of stakeholders which we have mapped and sought to understand. In particular, women and youth, they being the major component of the population of our country, and of course the bulk of them also residing in rural areas where the population of Zimbabwe is estimated to be 70% rural. Therefore, outreach is the main thrust for the Commission. And as such, we have developed what we call a Capital Markets Awareness Toolkit, which works hand in hand with the Capital Market Index, which seeks to measure the level of awareness. Capital market awareness at the moment, based on research from 2022, sits at 2%. So the financial inclusion strategy seeks to move that number from the current 2% to 5% by 2026. The toolkit we have developed is designed to do that within the school environment as well as in communities. What does it comprise of? It comprises a book that was written for Zimbabweans, by Zimbabweans, which talks about the full history, up to date, of the capital market. In there, an investor has everything they need to know about the capital market, from investing, from the role of the capital market in sustainable economic development, etc. We have then taken the initiative to summarize this book into more manageable sizes, more relatable language, and also translated it into English and, it currently is in English. We've translated it into Shona and in Ndebele. Having done that, we've gone further to provide an edutainment component where Grain of Fortune, a video, and Ayoba Mkoba, a radio drama, further demystify the complexities of the capital market as they track the journey of everyday entrepreneurs in the Zimbabwean landscape. Through listening and learning in that manner, and school children in particular, and communities using the workbooks that we have devised, we believe that the capital markets terms will be more understandable, and the desire to invest in the capital market will be stimulated as a result of greater understanding. So that is the capacity we seek to build. Those are the initiatives that we're working on. Of course, we need partners. We are working with our securities market intermediaries, the entities that we regulate. We are also working with members of the public who are interested in what we call a My School program, where they can get a toolkit and go back to their old school and ensure that capital markets knowledge is fostered there, and they, as an industry practitioner, can also address some of the complex issues which teachers with their knowledge may not be competent or properly exposed to articulate for our school children.